was just any other morning. It was a normal day. Certainly had no idea what was going to happen when I pulled on 495. I know I was honking on my horn, and there was another car trying to get their attention as well. And finally, the car pulled over. The flames just started to come up from under the car, and saw these kids just start running out of the vehicle. And then I saw the dad, and he was holding an infant, a 2-month-old baby. Come to find out, they were moving from Massachusetts up to Maine, and the Suburban was full of their belongings, their clothing, kids' toys. Looking at the car, and it was completely up in flames. Realizing how much they lost, it was just right then that I stepped away from them and called my boss, told him what happened, and said, we've got to do something for these people. We sent emails out, and within 48 hours, I mean, the support of my peers and colleagues from all over the country, from San Diego and San Francisco and Chicago, they didn't even ask, what do you need? We were able to collect more than enough to replace what they lost that day. They were floored. You know, they had no idea what to expect. It's just made me realize how much we can do. So many people do amazing things, and it's not every day that people get recognized for it, and it's certainly not why we do it. But I think it just gives an opportunity for people to say, oh, you know, I can do that too. It doesn't take a lot. There doesn't have to be an extreme situation. It could just be smiling at someone. Something really simple can make a huge difference.